Excellency, Royal Majesty, Elderly, Honorable Ruler of Jabuna, S.K. Adeton, February 2nd. Beloved Royal Fathers, Royal President, all great Otumbas, Aujale, Ijebu, the noble chiefs of Aujale of Ijebu, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you all, our distinguished guests, for honoring my invitation on this great occasion. We all gathered here today not to only celebrate the launching, the inauguration of the ACOF, the Aujale Council of Otumbas Foundation, which is in honor of our highly esteemed Royal Father, Kabiyesi of our S.K. Adeton, CFR, Yoruba II, Paramount Ruler of Ijebu, an icon whose life has been nothing but one of long struggle for the welfare of the people of Ijebu and Nigeria at large. But also, we're here to put in place a new apparatus that will not only sustain his legacy, but also act as a clarion call to wake us up from our divine and leadership responsibility towards our mother. It is glorifying that the legacy of the founding fathers of Ijebu as a formidable nation is under enormous threat. Hostilities, moral and social decadence, youth unemployment, infrastructural decay persist. There is no blinking at the fact that our people, our territory, and our interests are in great danger. If a free society cannot help the many who are poor, it cannot save the few who are rich. The confidence and commitment the Otumbas of Aujale have seen, the past is over, and it is the future that beckons to us now. We are making an appeal to all of us present here today, and to all the sons, daughters, and friends of Ijebu worldwide to join us with faith and confidence in this great adventure to give reality to our dream of a fair and free Ijebu industrial society. We look forward to a positive, creative, and innovative changes in our society where there is dignity in labor and honor is based on integrity of an honorable. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, by the grace of God, we look forward to a bright future in Ijebu, nurtured by our collective courage, integrity, determination, and commitment. Kindly support our efforts to focus on reviving the education and healthcare institutions in Ijebu with your generous donation. I would like to thank our unique Kabiyesi, Aujale of Ijebu, S.K. Adeton November 2nd, and his inestimable Joao Olori, Oluwaken Adeton. I would also like to thank the Otumbas of Aujale, the Royal Court, who we are celebrating and honoring today for making us Otumbas proud of their worthy achievements. I thank the Aujale Council of Otumbas, especially our quiet but dynamic chairman, Otumba Oshinski, for this initiative. Worthy of recognizing are also The Abu Dhabi Council of Otumba Foundation Organizing Committee. Otumba Oshiyemi, please take your stand for recognition. Otumba Fataya Rolo, please stand for recognition. Otumba Nikon Belu. Otumba Ambassador Olusegun Akínsọ̀yà. Iye Otumba Martin School. Otumba Yoruba Oshilogun Louis and Macaulay absent. Otumba Deji Oshilogun. Otumba Satoyi Ashiru.
Àwọn ìdílé ìgbẹ̀rún rẹ̀ o.
Otumba Bimbo Ashiru. Otumba Dr. Sheku Oshu.
Ọmọ ìdílé.
Otumba Demola Olùtọ́lá Louis Yorùbá. Otumba Remi Agbo, who is not with us today, and young Otumba Odumawas. Ladies and gentlemen, we are highly honored to have you here, and we promise you that this is the beginning of a new change in Jerusalem. We determine we support the Otumbas in the rural court and all Otumbas, and we will work with the Jerusalem chiefs and those who have the progress of this Jerusalem to implement and effect a noticeable change and sustain the legacy of our icon, our campus, of our SK Angel, November 7th. It is my pleasure to present to you the Council of Otumba of the Jerusalem. This week is quoted for everybody free. Please have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. And we look forward to giving out and talking about the nation for this evaluation.